Hello, I'm Bill Olsen. I'm Director of Maintenance Systems with First Student, First Transit. We provide maintenance transportation systems for schools, transit authorities, private shuttles throughout the continental US and Canada and Virgin Islands. I've been with the company for 32 years, and we've been using EAM first as DataStream, then N4, and now as Hexagon since 1999. We found it's a very, very robust product for us to provide good services for our customers while maintaining a high standard of quality and safety within our organization. For student and first transit, as we looked how we did operations on the floor, we saw lots of paper. And yes, our customers want us to have good maintenance records, but they want maintenance records. So our mobile strategy to start with really was a question of how do we provide lean operations? What does a customer want? Customer wants records. They don't want paper. That was our first principle. Our second principle was our internal customer, our technicians, they want to know what's the next job. They want access to information to complete the job. They want to know anything relevant to safety. Using a mobile device gave them a computer in their hand, and it started a communications revolution in our company almost. Now that technician at the point of repair has a computer to access what's in EAM, to know what job is next, to record what they're doing for maintenance records, and to access OEM websites and other technical resources while standing at the point of repair so that they can do the best quality, safest repair right then without having to stop and walk across the shop. Using EAM mobile app is invaluable. It reduces our downtime. It provides access to key experts where they're needed at the point of repair, even though that expert is half a continent away. So First Student, First Transit has seen some really fantastic savings and benefits by using the mobile strategy. EAM's mobile strategy really has it's enabled us to bypass friction that comes from clerical work that does not add value to the end product. Anecdotally, we noticed early on, our shop desks used to be covered in paperwork, in files to be reviewed. The other thing that came out, that technicians love the fact that they need what to do next. By having this mobile device in their hands, having EAM right there, they knew what their next job was. And in the middle of the job, they knew, do I have the parts to finish the job? Because they could see what's in the parts room, they could ask for the parts. They could see, is my assistant local, do I need help outside the shop? And they could actually, through that work order on HxGN EAM, ask for help from someone else 2,000 miles away. And they could get help then. They didn't have to waste time finding a phone, setting up a conference call. They didn't have to waste time trying to find a paper document that's in the next building. But using Hexagon Mobile, everything's right there, it's immediate, and it's at the point of repair. As far as how to say how much that is monetarily, it's invaluable, and it's hard to measure all those little savings and efficiencies. But it's transformed not just how they do work, but how people feel about the work they're doing. For Student First Transit's long-term vision using HxGN EAM is really quite exciting for me. As we brought out mobile technologies using HxGN EAM, what happens is people can ask for help as they need it. People can see resources they need while they're standing at the point of repair. So the really next exciting part is being able to work with the current generation that is actually, honestly, aging out. This is our opportunity to work with them and to gather that knowledge and that wisdom before it's no longer available.